Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the CVS Black Friday deals video. So I'm super excited about this. CVS has been on fire this week with all of their deals. There are so many freebies. There were about 7 freebies in the 4-day deals that started on Sunday and are going to end on Wednesday. So I will link both of those videos in the description box if you haven't had a chance to check those out. Definitely make sure you guys check those out. So these deals for the CVS Black Friday are going to start on the 28th, Thursday, and go through Saturday, the 30th. So, few tips on this. There's so many freebies. We also are going to be getting some additional CRTs on Thursday. So come 1 a.m. on Thursday, we should be, or 12:01, sorry. Thursday morning, we should be able to check our accounts and see what additional CRTs we have, which will make these deals even better. Maybe make some deals that, weren't freebies, make them more attainable for us. So I will keep you guys posted. I'll let you know what kind of CRTs I have on Thursday. If any of the deals change, I'll be sure to repost that for you guys as best as I can. I will be obviously eating a bunch of, really good foods and hanging out with some family and things like that. But I will try to keep you guys as informed as possible. So, without further ado, let's dive into the CVS Black Friday deals. So the first deal is on Ferrero Rocher. They are buy one, get one free, and this is for the 12 count. So they start at $5.79, so you'd pick up 2 of them. You would use a $1 off 2 coupon that we got from the 1110 Smart Source. That works for anything from the 4 ounce and above. You're going to pay just $4.79 for 2, or $2.39 each. So this is a great little gift if you want to give some gifts to some teachers or anyone like that. Everyone loves Ferrero Rocher, so this could be a really cute stocking stuffer and not a bad price for only $2.39 each. Next deal is on the Renuzit Cones. So they are going to be on sale. Buy 3, get a $1.50 extra buck. This is a limit of 1. So you're going to pick up 6 of the Renuzit Cones. They're on sale 3 for $3. So if you buy 6, your total is going to be $6. You're going to use the buy 4, get 2 free coupon from the 11-3 Retail Me Not. You're going to pay $4 out of pocket, assuming that coupon will take off $1 each for the 2 free. You're going to get back that $1.50 extra buck. Final cost is just $2.50 for all 6 cones, or 41 cents each. So not a bad deal there. They should have some holiday scents and some, apple cinnamon and things like that available. So those would be some really cute stocking stuffers as well. I use them in my home. They work pretty well. They're not, the most amazing thing, but for 41 cents, you can't beat that. The next deal, anyone can take advantage of. So this is for the Palmolive, the 25 ounce. So this is the larger bottle. Everyone, if they stop at the Redbox Coupon Center, is going to get a $1 off instant coupon. So when you scan your Redbox card or your Extra Care card, or type in your phone number, this is going to print out for you guys. So they're on sale for $2.49. After that instant coupon, you're going to pay just $1.49. So not a bad deal there. Pretty good price point for the size. If you guys need some, make sure you guys grab this deal. Now we have some Schick disposable razors. They are on sale. Buy one, get a $2 extra buck. You see the clip here is pulled right from the ad for you guys. So it does not include the Extreme 8 count, the Hydro, or the Fab 3 count. So just make sure you guys grab the correct disposable razor that will apply for this deal. They're on sale for $6.99. There is a $4 digital coupon. So make sure you guys go to your CVS app and clip that coupon to your card. You're going to pay just $2.99 out of pocket. You're going to get back a $2 extra buck, makes it just 99 cents. So not a bad deal there. And stay tuned at the end. I'll give you guys some tips and tricks as far as how we can keep our out-of-pocket as low as possible for the Black Friday shopping. Okay, so a good cosmetic deal. This is going to count towards beauty. If you're new to CVS couponing, make sure you guys, when you sign up for the Extra Care card, which is their rewards program, you go in the app and you sign up for the beauty rewards as well. It doesn't cost anything. You just have to kind of opt into the program. So every $30 you spend before coupons, you're going to get a $3 extra back. So this is going to count towards that. So NYX Cosmetics is on sale. Buy two, get a $10 extra back. So if you buy 2 lip products, as shown here is right from the CVS ad, they are going to be $11.98. If you have a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT or a NYX cosmetic CRT, make sure you pair that in. You'll pay just $8.98, get back a $10 extra buck. So this is going to be one of those hot freebies plus $1.02 moneymaker. Sorry, that says $1.12. I did my math wrong. It's $1.02 moneymaker. So if you don't have that CRT, you're going to pay the $11.98 out of pocket, get back the $10 extra buck. So final cost is just 99 cents per lip product. So still a really hot deal. NYX Cosmetics is a really good brand. Wet n Wild gift sets. This is also going to count towards beauty. I know some stores don't have them, some locations do. If you guys are wanting to do any of the gift sets, make sure you grab those items first. They typically don't have that many and they run out fairly quickly. So for the Wet n Wild gift set, as you see pictured here, it's some nail polishes. You're going to buy one, get a $4 extra buck, and it is a limit of 2. So you can do, or I'm sorry, a limit of 3. You see it there on the bottom. Limit of 3, so you can buy up to 3 of these gift sets. So they're each going to be $4.99. You're going to pay $4.99, get back a $4 extra buck, so it makes it just 99 cents. And as you can see, there are 6 nail polishes in there, so super, super hot deal for just $1. I've never used Wet n Wild nail polish, so I'm not sure how great they are, but it could be a really cute little gift idea. If you guys are on a budget, make sure you take advantage of this deal. This will also count towards beauty. So if you're doing the NYX Cosmetics, that was $12. If you're doing this as well, that's another $5. So we're up to $17 that are going to count towards beauty. We have a nice cereal deal. Typically, the cereals are $1.99, and the coupons are usually $1 off too. So it's going to be a better deal if you guys have kids or anyone that really likes cereal. They're on sale. Buy one, get $1 extra buck. It is just a limit of 1. So you're going to pick up one of the cereals, any of the select varieties. They should be tagged in your store. I know the Cheerios and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch will be included. They're $1.99 each. You're going to pay $1.99 and get back $1 extra buck. So final cost is just 99 cents for cereal. So really, really hot deal there. The next deal is on Doritos. They're on sale. Buy 2, get $1 extra buck. So I got this Dorito CRT. If you have it, make sure you stop and hold it for Black Friday. Don't use it for the 4-day sale because this is going to be a better deal because you're going to get $1 extra buck back. So this is for the 9.75 ounce up to the 11.75 ounce. So the bigger bag is going to be more bang for your buck. They're on sale 2 for $4. If you have that CRT, make sure you match it up with this deal. You're going to pay $3 out of pocket. Get back $1 extra buck, so final cost is just $1 per bag of Doritos, which is a super hot deal. Doritos can get very, very expensive. So really good snack item, especially for the holidays. You can put this out as kind of a little appetizer with some salsa, things like that. Not a bad deal for some Doritos. I definitely plan on doing this deal on Friday. Just an extra little one in here I wanted to throw out, the fleece throws. It's a 50-inch by a 60-inch. They're only $1.99. I don't think there's a limit. Nothing was shown in the CVS ad. So if you have an extra $1.99 and you don't need this for anyone, make sure you pick one up. It really is a great donation item for pet shelters and things like that. They can always use blankets and stuff for the dogs to help their crates feel more at home and feel more comfortable, and that way they can be adopted sooner. So just wanted to put that out there. It is a really good item. I was talking to some shelters. I'm doing a donation run for them, and they did mention that, you know, fleece throws and blankets and pillows and things like that they could really use. So I wanted to make sure I put that out there for you guys. Okay, now let's talk about all the freebies. So who wants some free stuff? Super excited about this. There were a few freebies in the beginning of the video, plenty of other freebies for the 4-day sale. Now we're going to get 7 more freebies. So let's dive in. First freebie is on the 23andMe. So just the kit is $29.99. So if you buy one, you're going to get that back in extra bucks, makes it free. However, disclaimer for you guys, that's why I put it here. I was told there is a very substantial processing fee of around $100. So it's not technically free, but if you guys were planning on doing it anyways or giving this as a gift, still a good deal because you're at least getting the kit for free, and then all you have to pay is that processing fee. I didn't realize that, so I will not be taking advantage of this deal, but it still is a good deal if it was already on your list. Next freebie is Speed Stick Deodorant. Anyone can do this deal, so even if you're a newbie, a beginner, and this is the first couponing video you're watching, you can still take advantage of this deal. So you're going to buy one, get a $2 extra buck. So one of them, men's or women's, they're both pictured here for you guys, are $2.49. If you go to speedstick.com, you can print out a 50-cent coupon. So then you're going to only pay $2 out of pocket, get back $2, makes it a nice freebie. So make sure you head over to speedstick.com and print out that coupon. Okay, free gum. Extra or Orbit. I personally love Extra Spearmint. It reminds me of my grandma. Anytime I would go riding with her back in the day and I'd want some gum, that's what she always carried. So I do love a good Extra Spearmint. It's on sale, buy one, get 99 cents in extra bucks back. So you're going to pick up either one of these, whichever one you guys like better. You're going to pay just 99 cents, get back the 99 cents in extra bucks, so it's going to be another freebie. CVS Health Baby Wipes. Buy one, get the 99 cent back in extra bucks. So same thing. You're going to pick up one of the baby wipes. It is the 20 count. It shows here you can either get the Ultra Soft Cleansing or the Ultra Soft Cleansing. That's weird. So they both show Ultra Soft. I don't know what the difference is. I did actually just purchase these in a previous haul, so we do use these for our 3-year-old, and they work really well. So definitely recommend it. And again, another freebie. So pay that 99 cents, get back the 99 cents, makes it a freebie. CVS Health Panty Liners. The 20 count, you're going to buy one, get back the 99 cents in extra bucks. So this is the 20 count liners again as well. You see that pictured here on the right. It is a limit of 1. So you're going to pay 99 cents, get back 99 cents, makes it another freebie. Some razors also are going to be free for you guys on Black Friday. It's CVS brand or Beauty 360. So Beauty 360 is the CVS version. So you'll see Beauty 360 for makeup and makeup tools and different things like that throughout the store. That is the CVS brand. So either one, you can get the men's or the women's. The offer limit is 1 per household with the Extra Care card. So you're going to pick up one and get $1.99 in extra bucks back. So you pay $1.99, you get back $1.99 in extra bucks, makes it another freebie for you guys. So many good freebies. Make sure you guys take advantage of these. Even if it's something that you guys don't need or you don't want, you can always give it to a relative or a friend or someone who needs it. Or, of course, you can put this in a nice little donation basket and donate to a local shelter. Some acetaminophen. So CVS Health brand acetaminophen, 24 count is buy one, get a $4.99 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the 24 counts. It's $4.99. You pay $4.99, get back the $4.99 in extra bucks. Makes it another great freebie. We also have currently for the 4-day sale at CVS, it is in my first CVS haul. Again, those will be linked in the description box for you guys. The CVS Health brand aspirin, the 500 count, is on sale for $5 this week, ending on Wednesday. So make sure you guys go pick that up. There's no extra bucks back or anything, but you're getting 500 aspirin tablets for $5, and typically they're $15.49 in store. So just a side note on that, make sure you guys pick that up so you guys can have that as well. So that is the last freebie we have for you guys. So a ton of good deals going on at CVS. Another deal that I'm going to be doing is on the slippers. So Walgreens has slippers right now for $6.50, and I believe they're the same brand, they're the same thing. CVS for Black Friday is going to have them for just $4.99, so it's going to be a better deal to grab them at CVS. So I plan on picking up some for myself and some of my family members as well. So right there, you're going to save $1.50 versus if you purchase them at Walgreens. So there's going to be a couple more deals. There's BOGO on toys. There's also buy one, get one free on Yankee candles, things like that. So if you guys do need some gifts or anything, make sure you stop into CVS and check it out. If you have any questions or anything, of course, just drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and hit that notification bell. So whenever I post new videos, updates for Black Friday deals, you guys will be notified and you can check it out to pick up as many freebies and hot items as you can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.